Hey guys, Jay Riggs here, Riggs Fabrication, Fort Worth, Texas. Today's delivery day for this gorgeous 1934 Ford Coupe. He had a run-in with a deer. Deer didn't make it. Caved in the driver's side of the car. When we first got the phone call, I was like, oh man, this is not a good car to get hit with a deer. Caved in the door. No one was hurt outside of Bambi's brother. And anyway, we were able to get the car completely repaired. We had to make a new door skin and fix quarter panel and a lot of body damage. This gorgeous green, we did do a good bit of work to match the paint. We had to bring a pinstripe artist out to do touch up all of the pinstriping. Insurance company was great for the customer. And yesterday was his birthday, and today he's picking up his car, so it's a good day. So most of the damage was here on the door. The whole door was caved in. There was a little bit of body damage up here. The deer hit this way and messed up the fender, did a little bit of body damage here, kind of wrinkled some paint over here. And as you can see, it looks like it never happened. So we reskinned this door with a weld seam right about here, but we recreated this body line because this was completely crushed and the door was tweaked. With the skin off, it was pretty easy to straighten the door out, but we made a die in our Pullmax to recreate this bead. We used the power hammer to put this compound curve in because the car has a nice curve this way as well as a curve this way. But we were able to get all of that made, get this die run in. I gotta be honest, this one kind of tripped me up on my skill set, and I had to make it about 4 times to get it right. But at the end of the day, if we're not learning things, then we're not growing, right? So I was frustrated one of the days that I left, and how do I get this to be right? Every time I would run the bead through, it would flatten out the panel and I would lose this curve. So I had to do the phone a friend and get a couple tech tips. But at the end of the day, we got it dialed in, and the team got the door on, and body works straight, and everything's great.